Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about something that's absolutely crucial to achieving your financial goals, celebrating your wins. Now, you might be thinking, celebrate? But JT, I'm just, still working towards my goals. Should I wait until I reach the finish line? And again, that's a common misconception. Many people get so caught up in the doing that they forget to acknowledge and appreciate their progress along the way. Okay, so here's the thing. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And it's like a feel for your financial journey. It gives you a sense of accomplishment, it boosts your motivation, and it reminds you of why you're working so hard in the first place. Okay, think of like climbing a mountain. If you only focus on the summit, the journey can feel long and exhausting. But if you take the time to appreciate the view from each base camp, celebrate each milestone, and enjoy the journey itself, it becomes much more rewarding. Now, how do you celebrate your wins? Well, that's up to you. It could be something as simple as treating yourself to a nice dinner, buying that gadget you'll be eyeing, or taking a weekend getaway. Okay, my wife and I, we have a little tradition. Every time we achieve a big financial goal, we either buy something special or go somewhere memorable. It could be a new piece of furniture for your home, a weekend trip to a nearby city, or even a fancy dinner at a restaurant. The key here is to connect that reward with your accomplishment, okay? Every time we see that new couch or think about that amazing trip, we remember that the hard work we put in to achieve that financial goal. It's like a tangible reminder of our success and a powerful motivator to keep it going. So here are a few tips for celebrating your financial wins. First, make it meaningful. Choose a reward that truly resonates with you and reflects the significance of your accomplishment. 2, share your success. Don't be afraid to share your wins with others. It can inspire them and reinforce your own sense of accomplishment. 3, reflect on your journey. Take some time to appreciate how far you've come and acknowledge the effort you put in to achieve your goal. Then set your sight on the next goal. Use the momentum from your celebration to set the sight on your next financial milestone. Remember, celebrating your wins, it's not about being frivolous or extravagant. It's about acknowledging your progress, appreciating your hard work, and feeling your motivation to keep moving forward. Okay? So don't forget the confetti. Celebrate those wins and enjoy the journey to financial freedom.